Good morning to all of you. I am Dr. Bakhtiyar Chowdhury, speaking from my heart. Every year we have been celebrating Independence Day and also the January 26th, the Republic Day. And we keep on unfurling flags over many buildings, in many schools, colleges. Even we keep on putting flags in our cars and on the roads. Now look at what is happening to our country. We are never united. That's why British, French, Dutch, everybody exploited, came with a small business and they ruled more than 200 years. No Indian king ever ruled India more than 200 years. Why? Because we lack unity. Now I am showing the history of all our Indian flag, how many great personalities poured their blood and heart and brought this significant colors in our life. Now look at our own nation. Every year we are dividing to many more states. We are fighting on and off with the name of caste and creed, poor and rich, language, region. You name a reason we have to fight with. But we are forgetting that we are in danger. We are all surrounded by enemies. In fact, we are enemies in our own house. We are enemies to ourselves. We don't love Indians anymore. We don't call ourselves Indian. We say, are you Chowdhury? Are you Reddy? Are you Muslim? Are you Hindi? Many places you call and ask people, are you from North India or from South India? And we have more than 3 crores gods. And we have Bhakti channel. We have so many Babas every nook and corner of the country. Yet we are not united. Look at Brazil, look at Switzerland, look at Germany, look at so many countries. Look at China. All these people have evolved much later than us. Now the most impending danger is Pakistan and China, which are surrounding us. You all know Chinese have given weapons to Pakistan. Chinese have made obligatory arrangement with Bangladesh. Chinese have made friendship with Sri Lanka, and we are just sleeping. And in the recent times, all they have occupied and sat in the Ladakh area, and our memories are still afresh. But look at, China is going to make the highest airport in Tibet, and they are already halfway through to develop infrastructure in Himalayas. Rapid development of air infrastructure in Tibet occupied with rail and road development raised real concerns. And we are all fighting for politics and parties. We are really stupid Indians. We are not worried about country, but we are worried about ourselves. When you put our hand out of our house to throw garbage, we forget that part of the wall is also our India. They have made 58,000 kilometers road, including blacktopping on the entire highway stretched till Nepal and Lhasa Gonga Expressway. And Ghonkar, Pangal, Linchi, Hoping and Garghansa, these are all the Chinese Sukhoi based airports. They can just bombard us anytime. And they have the capacity to airlift 60,000 troops anytime. My dear, there are so much information all around the country today. And we are really surrounded. We must wake up, not to celebrate this Independence Day, but you wake up. Wake up, my dear Indians, wake up.